If this video right here is finding you, it's not by accident. You manifest this. You're not behind. You're becoming. I think some of us, well, a lot of us feel behind in life. Like we should already be further than where we are. Hear me out, right? What if you're not behind? What if you in the exact same season that's shaping you into what you're supposed to become? Everything you've been through, the setbacks, the grief, the lessons, it's building something in you that cannot be rushed. Know this. And that something is connected to your calling. You don't have to have it all figured out to move forward, all right? You just gotta try to trust. Every small step is preparing you for the bigger picture. If you're giving yourself grace while you're growing, drop the brick emoji in the comments. You're not behind. You're becoming by you.